In today's video, I will show you how to keep Messenger messages forever. First, open Messenger on your device and make sure you are signed in. Once you are on the home page, find and click on the chat you want to manage. Then, click the eye icon at the top right corner of your screen to open up the conversation settings. Fun fact: Messenger's disappearing messages are a great privacy tool, but disabling them means your data is safely stored in the cloud indefinitely, so you can revisit your conversations whenever you want. From this settings page, scroll down until you see the privacy and support section, and then click on disappearing messages under it. Finally, make sure that it is turned off so that your messages will not disappear as long as you do not delete them yourself. And that's it! That's how you keep Messenger messages forever.